Okra soup. How this okra soup is going to be delicious. I have all the ingredients to make it more tasty. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. In today's video, we are going to be preparing okra soup with enough ingredients, guys, with enough ingredients. As you can see, all my ingredients are ready to go in. Let me introduce you all the ingredients I'm going to use to make this delicious okra soup. First thing we have here, we have ishaki, we have spinach, we have momo, we have fresh minced beef, spinach, okra, 2 onions, 3 bell pepper, and we have fish, tomatoes, 2 Maggi cube, salt, rosemary, thyme, and black pepper. Those are the ingredients we are going to be using to make this delicious okra soup. Keep watching, guys. See, all we have is so those are the ingredients we have to make this delicious soup. So continue watching, guys. Now we have to scrub with this thing you are seeing how to do the okra. We need to scrub it with this okra. Which is the thyme, the rosemary. I meant to say sorry, guys. I'm going to be using all those things to boil all the meat you are seeing here to give the soup more flavor. You know, I want it more tasty. I have my pot in the fire ready. So I'll open the pot. The first thing I'm going to be adding is my momo because it's very thick and it's very strong. I'm going to be cooking it with cow meat, which is beef. I will be cooking it for at least 40 minutes. I will add my 1 Maggi cube. I have the other Maggi there. I have to put that one later. Now I will be adding salt. I'm adding my black pepper now. I'm adding my thyme just to season the meat and give it more flavor. Feel free to use any one of your choice. If you don't want to add all these things, just leave it the way it is. I already seasoned my meat with everything, and I had my shaki back of the camera, and now I'm turning it. Feel free to use any one of your choice. If you feel like putting tomatoes, you add tomatoes. I already rub my okra and fresh pepper. You see how it is, because I wouldn't like it to be very smoothly. If not, you wouldn't. I will enjoy my okra soup. This is how I will love eating my okra soup this time. So now it's okra soup. I have my pot here in the gas. I'm going to be stewing my tomatoes now, because I'm adding tomatoes on it. You will see my previous video. I make also the okra soup and tomatoes together before. That is go and check my video a few months ago. I already did this tomatoes and okra soup. I did it before, but I'm doing it again because it's a little bit different the way I did it. Now we had onions and pepper, tomatoes inside the oil. I'm going to stew it a little bit, like 10 minutes. I will let it to stew a little bit. Now we are adding the last Maggi. You have half of that Maggi, but I'm not putting it all together. I'm going to use that one later. We are adding my spinach inside. I prefer to call it gamberry, you know. I prefer to call it gamberry because that is the thing that came to my mind first. Italian call it gamberry. I'm adding my grounded crayfish. Sorry, I forgot to put that before. I did not measure it before. My meat are boiling already. As you can see, I'm removing them to put in the stew to give more flavor to the meat. Not all, I'm adding some of them in the stew. I'm going to turn it back again later. If you love what you are seeing on this channel, please do consider to subscribe, okay? And also subscribe to my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV. I'm doing a little different thing on that channel. We are doing broadcast there. We carry apropos, you know, we carry all the news. So if you love what you are seeing in this channel, do consider to subscribe to also my second channel. I really do appreciate you guys. So this is the meat, and my okra now is going to the pot very soon. I'm adding a little water there, the hot water, just to mix the okra soup. I'm adding my onions, blended onions. Now I'm turning it into the pot. I have to turn it a little bit. Now I'm adding my stew into the okra soup. Guys, if you see the taste I'm perceiving here, I feel like eating it already. I feel like eating it already, guys. My soup is ready. I did not even measure the spinach I put because I put it together with the okra soup. Guys, my soup is ready. Thank you for joining me for today's video.